Guys, what's up? It's Karate Mask. I made this video for people who are just starting karate or have a goal to get black belt. I'm glad you have chosen karate among the many martial arts. Now, I would like to teach you about the basics of steps in kumite. There are so many different movements in kumite that it's hard to know where to start. If you're confused, let's start by learning the 3 simple steps of kumite by focusing on the direction in which you step. First of all, what do I mean by the direction to focus on? It's the vertical movement. Please take a look at this video. How was it? There are many variations in foot width, foot position, and so on. Depending on one's skeletal structure, muscle balance, strategy. But if you keep these basics in mind first, they will lead you to all kumite movements. Finally, please know this. It's normal to not be able to do any sports at first. Let your body get used to the movements slowly. Then your brain and body will input the movements, and as the days go by, you will be able to move your body without being conscious of it. It's normal to not be able to do it on the first day, even if you cannot do it well today. Watch this video repeatedly and practice. Your body will gradually get used to it and you will be able to move smoothly. Please put this technique into your body. The important thing is to keep practicing. I'll continue to update my video for beginners. So if you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel for encouragement. See you again in the next video. I will be rooting for you to get your black belt. Have a great karate life.